Hello everyone, welcome to another video on AppginiLTE plugin for Appgini, the AdminLTE plugin for Appgini. Sorry. So in this plugin, in this video, we're going to see how you can be able to send an email with an attachment using the Appgini send mail function. And you'll need, of course, SMTP settings for this. So this is a quick one. So I've just shown you, this is a custom page I've created here. So to create a custom page, you go here, custom page builder, then create a custom page. So I've already created mine here. It has the code, need to ready. Okay, so here's the code. So for the code, you can view it. You can go to AppginiLTE in your code, AppginiLTE custom pages. Then you look at the page. If you see here, you can see the page ID. So you can open this one, the page ID here. So then you can see your code for that page. You can edit it from here easily. You see it is misbehaving from the other side. So the code is already existing. So you have the GitHub gist here that already has the code. So there are two things you need to do. There's this first function here, send mail handler. This is a hook function that's already existing in Appgini. So you just copy this body here, go to your global here under hooks. So hooks global, then come to this. The function will be there. You paste in that body part. That's it. Then second part will be this part. So you create your custom page. You come and paste it here. Copy this and paste it in your custom page. In here, I've pasted mine already here. That's simple. Then you save and run the page. So you'll see you have the email recipient name, recipient email here, the subjects, the message, and the attachment. So for this attachment here, we're using a custom widget function called the DropZone, show DropZone. You can see this one is an inbuilt in this plugin, so you can easily use it. So show DropZone actually accepts an object that has an array of the DropZone fields you want. You can have as many DropZones as possible shown. So for this one, we just want one that will contain the attachment, email attachment for this one. So we pass in this array here, the label name, you see is email attachment, the field name is attachment. So this field name is what you'll access the path. It will return the path to the attachment that is uploaded. So you see the tag attachment path, we're getting it here. Then the message to be shown there on the drop zone, and the rest you can say how many files you want, maximum files. So this case you want 1 file, the size is 50 MB, the maximum size. Accepted files, you only want an image for this case, but you can specify any other file types, extensions you want, .pdf, .zip, or whatever you want here, comma separated values, of course. Then the size class. So for this one is 6. You can see it is 6. It's not occupying the whole width. So this drop zone actually you can use it actually on other pages in the application. So it is. So we have our form that has the recipient, the subject, the message, and the attachment that will be returned by the drop zone. Okay. So the next thing you need to do before you use this mail function, this send mail function, this is a custom Appgini function that's already existing. So you need to have configured your SMTP settings. It's very important. So you come to SMTP, to admin area, utilities, settings, then go to mail. So you can see I've provided my SMTP settings here. Method of sending emails is SMTP. Okay. Provide your name, the sender name, the server, encryption is SSL, the port, the username, and the password. This is very, very important. Very, very, very important for this to work. So once you've set up those things, those are three things now, and the hooks, the custom page, and the sensitivity settings. So you have everything set up. So you can see email. So I can put my email here and say the subject will be sending email attachment. Then the message will be tests and email attachment. So for attachment here, I just click on it. Then I can drag. I can even select multiple. Okay, for this case, this is only one required file, but if it were multiple files, you could select multiple of them. But here, just drag one. There, it's put here. Okay, so when I hit send, it will send from the email to the provided address. So email sent successfully. So we can check our email here. You can see here we go. Sending email attachment. The send email attachment is here, the body that we provided, and the attachment is the image that we attached to it. Here it is. So it's that simple to send email attachments using this DropZone functionality here and the inbuilt Appgini send mail. So send mail actually accepts an array that has the two, the name of the person. So here you can change also the name of the recipient. You can change it, the message, the subject, and the tag. This tag will have an attachment path, which we conditioned to check here. So it's being checked for here. The attachment path. The tag can be anything. You can put anything in the tag here. Appgini has provided this tag for you to actually just add anything else you want, any custom thing you want to add to the email. So we're using this attachment path, then coming here, checking if it's there, if it's an array, then if it's there, we put it under add attachment. So that's it. So it will be added. So if there are many, they will be converted to an array here, then added one by one into this. Okay, so those attachments will be added here. So that's why we're exporting. So because the string, if you have multiple files here, this will return a comma separated value of the paths of the uploaded files. Yeah, so it's that simple to send an email attachment. So this code you can find it. So if you go to my GitHub gist, I've included it here. So the first one you can just see gist.github.com/running order. That's where you find the code, the first one here, or you just search for send email attachment. Then you can, this part is for the hook and this part is the custom page. You don't confuse that.